Hi, my name is David Lennon, and it's an exciting time at Envirotech as our first students are getting ready for their work placement. And it's such an essential part of their coursework. We've passed the point in the planet, in life, where we can just get by minimizing impacts that are happening out there due to development. It's time we need more planet mechanics. We need more people repairing the impacts that have already happened. And this is where the CERT III in marine conservation and restoration comes in. We're training a new army, if you like, if you want to think of it that way. We're training a new army of people that have got the skills and the passion to do something about the damage that's already been done and help restore our environment. It's such a crucial phase for them now to enter some workplaces and get that hands-on experience and share their knowledge and their passion for having a positive change, whatever that might be and wherever they get the placement. They're excited. We've got a lot of excited students that are very passionate, very capable, and they bring other skills to the task as well. Some of them might have a marketing background or sales or multilingual, engineering, science. There's a whole range of other skills that they can bring to a placement and help benefit the business. The students can provide a range of benefits to a business. They've covered a range of different topics throughout their year of study. For example, making a presentation, how to do clam seeding, how to build a coral nursery, how to conduct various survey techniques, transects, quadrats, photography. They've used a range of different cameras on land and underwater, honing their skills. Some of the other ones are benthic monitoring, for example, survey and report on fish populations, plan for environmental conservation and restoration projects, use tools to carry out basic tasks underwater. They've used pneumatic drills and impact drivers. So there's a whole range of topics and skills that they bring to any business that they're helping out. And of course, it's at no charge to the business during their work placement period. They can help you with that project that you've perhaps been wanting to get around to but just haven't found the time to kick off. Perhaps they can help initiate it and get it underway. Perhaps there's an overload of tasks that they can help you with that you've been swamped with. Perhaps there's some research that they need to do or some background research that needs to be done, some data collection, some data entry. There's perhaps field work. They're quite capable out in the field, working on boats, diving, or working in the office, whatever you need. And it's not as though they're doing work placement because they have to. They really actually want to. They're passionate about the subject. They're passionate about conservation and restoration. It is quite unbelievable since I've been working with these students, seeing their passion and their ideas, their initiative. It's fantastic to work with them, and I'm sure you'll enjoy working with them as well. They really get into it. Any topics that we've covered, they've really been into them 100%. And tackling them, sucking up new knowledge, learning, doing extra learning outside of the course, putting projects together. They've had to put a number of different work plans together, including workplace health and safety plans, and they do them as a group. They work well together as groups, and there's some natural leaders amongst our gang, and you get to interview them as well, so we can make a short list, for example, of students that we think have the same interest with the work that you need them to do. You can have an interview with them and make sure they're a good fit for your business. So we look forward to working with you and helping pick some good students that for their work placement that can help you out and make a difference.